Hello guys, మనము let us see. I have broadband fiber to home connection set up in my home, but it's not configured. Still, the router is not configured. I have taken the router name is Alfian, but we will see how to configure the Alfian. Initially, first I am typing the Alfian residential gateway. The IP address is 192.168.1.1, and first we need to enter into the IP address. After entering the IP address, you will see the graphical user interface of the Alfian fiber optics ONT optical network terminator router. You will see all the options: status, LAN, WLAN, services, VoIP, advanced, diagnostic, and admin. And here it is showing all the in green color. That means the connection is proper. Here we have the connection is proper. Now we will see our VoIP register status is registered. The connection is success. Now we will see how to connect the WAN connection. First, to connect the WAN connection, we need to PON WAN. Go to the WAN PON WAN. Here PON WAN type. Initially it will be like this, bridged connection. Initially it will be the bridged connection. I am changing it to here we have the three options: bridged IPO, PPPoE connection. I am changing as per the broadband service provider request. I am changing this one. Here I need to change after selecting this one, I have given the username is BB. As per the service provider requirement, VSNL requirement, I have given the B40 my landline telephone number, SID, and fiber to home BSNL.in. The password is they given. The password is the password. This is the type is a continuous. Authentication is auto. After authentication, we need to save the changes. This is the step. These are the few steps they are provided. This is very friendly. Not it's not difficult to configuration. The configuration very easy. Finally, you will see the change settings successfully. I will go to see the status of the statistics interfaces. Go to the interface. We will see the interface. Nothing. We will see whether Google is connected or not. Broadband connection is up. I am able to see the PP0 NAS counter 0 and counter 1. I am able to see the connection properly. My broadband connection is up. Here, if you see the interfaces, you can check all the interfaces. Here you can see my broadband connection is up. So now we will see the speed of the fiber to home. How much speed we are getting the speed. We will see the speed. We will see the broadband connection after configuring the router. Here this is the fiber connection. We will see how much they told it is 100 Mbps, but we have to see the download speed. It is the 25 Mbps. It is showing still. This is the first time I think we have to ask them. This is the upload speed, the 50 Mbps it is showing, and the ping timing. This is again we will try. Maximum it is 30 Mbps it is coming. .22 in wired connection. We'll see again. Instead of Wi-Fi connection, now I am testing with the wired connection. Let us see how it will come. It is coming, it is slowly, it is it is up to 76. The upload speed is the 90-80. It is showing. With wired connection showing more, I think, instead of Wi-Fi.